miles an hour or greater. But when you compare the two storms and you equalize it for the size and strength, they're about the same. This is from Joe Bastardi, who was just our guest on Tidal Flooding Talk last night. You can find it on my social media channels. He has a power and impact scale that takes into account all this. And you can see Sandy and Melissa just about the same in terms of the scope of the damage and how strong the storm was. All right, we have a coastal flood advisory closer to home here in Ocean, Atlantic, and Cape May counties from 12 p.m. Wednesday until 8 p.m. on Thursday. This is to account for 2 rounds of tidal flooding. We'll see. As we go into the day today, we are expecting the more spotty showers, mainly Toms River on south. The steady rain doesn't enter our area until midday. And then it's a soaking rain for the afternoon into the PM commute. And then by about 6, 7, 8 o'clock, it's out of here. So it's not a long duration rain, but when it rains, it pours. And we could even see rumbles of thunder also. We're at this point where we can fine tune the forecast for you and tell you what's going on for this storm tonight into tomorrow night. So let's take a look at our forecast rainfall totals. We are expecting an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain. We already saw up to about 2/10 of an inch of rain so far. This is a good drink of water for us. I don't see a lot of flooding with this from the rain alone. The gusts are going to be strong. 2 different times. One, Thursday afternoon and evening, and then another one, Halloween, pretty much during the day. Both of these have the potential to bring isolated power outages and wind damage. Definitely, though, the Halloween decorations, they're going to be blowing all over the place, and make sure to hold on to your trick-or-treat bags real tight because that could blow away in the wind also. This is really a Halloween for the king-size candy bars. They can sustain those winds stronger than those little fun-sized ones. All right, let's take a look at our tidal flooding forecast. We are expecting 2 rounds of tidal flooding. This looks to be minor flood stage, not like what we saw during the nor'easter. This is more of the run-of-the-mill type flooding that we see a couple dozen times a year. This is what the flooding looks like in Seabright. We